project title is Machine Learning Based Classification of Sentiment Analysis of Book Reviews, and I am from Software Department 18 batch. Supervisor is Dr. Arij, and the members are 18SW124 and 18SW40. So basically the introduction is, when we visit a social book cataloging website, we can search its database of books, annotations, codes and reviews. We often also see a rating associated with the book, on the basis of which we can judge a book and realize if it is really amazing or not. Sometimes after reading a book we realize that it is not amazing as suggested by the rating. The rating does not give a proper look into the information or content of the book. More insight can be obtained based on an inspection of reviews. Often the reviews do not match the overall rating of the books too. So basically the problem is there is too much data to do this manually. Reviews need time to read and understand. This process can be done much quicker by using ML approaches, so that single value can be generated which truly indicates the value of the book. So the objectives of this project is to achieve sentiment analysis which determine a given reviews are positive, negative or neutral, which converts reviews text to numerical value. So basically we have to automate the process of this, and we have done. So the methodology is being followed is, first data collection is taking from Kaggle, then data pre-processing is done to transfer a raw data into useful format, and techniques are used, NLTK library and textbook, to identify the features from the text, and the algorithm are selected in order to get the sentiments, and tools and technologies are used are Python, ML libraries and Jupyter. So this is the notebook, and I have imported pandas libraries for data loading in the notebook. Some basic analysis is done through pandas and NumPy, and then pre-processing is being done like stop words removing, and to lower all the cases of letters. So till here that pre-processing has been done. After dividing data set into dependent and independent variables, training data and testing data, we train few classification based model on training data, test small model using test data to find F1 score, and draw a confusion matrix to evaluate the model. And TextBob is used to calculate polarity so that we can identify it is positive, negative or neutral. So here we evaluate, we are using Naive and calculating its confusion matrix. Here its accuracy is this one, and we are also using another model which is neural deep learning, so that we can have a higher accuracy of the model.